We're gonna turn your kitchen waste, kitchen scraps into beautiful home compost. So you need to start off making home compost is your kitchen scrap. Your kitchen scrap will be like apple peel, banana peel, strawberries and stuff like that, all kind of fruit and vegetable leftovers, the skin. You will want to cut it up small pieces. Look at that. This is how we get faster compost. Cut the stuff small, it will decompose faster. Do not compost any dairy stuff, fish, meat, or stuff like that. Here we have used coffee ground. Used coffee ground is a big plus in your garden. And right here we have cardboard paper, tissue paper, toilet rolls, used coffee ground filters. We have here is the Vigo Garden compost bin. You want to leave it between 3 to 4 days. Don't make 4 days pass before emptying your compost into your tumbler outside. This is your nitrogen, which is greens, all your kitchen scraps. And this is the browns, which is your carbon. When I add 1 kitchen scrap, I will add 1.5 to 2 bowl of carbon. Come closer. Hopefully you guys could see. So it shows there's a sign, is a time sign, and there's a plus sign. So the plus sign is where you add stuff from. The time is where it's been sitting down. So if you look with this compost, I have air coming through there. You just dumped it in. Wait until it's damp. You give it a spin. Always important, keep spinning it. Now you want to open this and you want to stop halfway right here. Set your container right underneath of it. And you kind of turn this around like this, and you see it's gonna come out. In there with your hands, let me show you this, and just pull them down like this. You can see how it's just coming right down. Beautiful this is. So I don't need to buy fertilizer this year, just like last year, no fertilizer. And I did blend up eggshell. I used the blender and I blend up eggshell in here.